play set. Here we have a turning Ferris wheel, and there are 4 seats. Purple seat, green seat, red seat, and blue seat. Here we have a blue bridge with 4 flags: purple, red, yellow, green. Here we have a merry-go-round. Red, green, yellow. This is a fun wavy mirror. It looks everything look wavy. For example, George, when he stands in front of the mirror, he looks wavy. How fun! Here we have a game booth. If you win a game, you get a prize. Here is the prize. And here is Peppa. She's ready to go and have some fun in the fair. What should we have Peppa and George do first? How about the wavy mirror? Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig want to try the wavy mirror as well. Stand aside, Peppa and George. It's Mommy's turn. Okay, Mommy, it's Daddy's turn. Okay, up next is the merry-go-round. Okay, Peppa. You're gonna go in the red one. George is going to fit in the green dino. And let's see if Mom will fit in the yellow ducky. Uh-oh, Mommy might be a bit too big for this ride, but that's okay. We have someone who's happy to take her place. Susie Sheep. Let's go for a ride. Ready, set, go! Okay, up next is the big Ferris wheel. Let's go. In order to get on the Ferris wheel, we have to cross the bridge. Peppa's going first. Okay, Peppa, here you go. Peppa's going to take the red seat. Here we go. George, it's your turn. George would like to take the blue seat. It looks like Daddy Pig wants to go on this ride. And I think he's not too big to sit in the green seat. Let's see. Perfect! Daddy's not big for this ride. And it looks like Mommy would like to go on the ride as well. She's going to sit in the purple seat. Okay, Mommy, here you go. Hang on tight, everybody. The ride's about to begin. It looks like Pedro Pony and Rebecca Rabbit are waiting for a turn too. And it looks like Daddy Pig is ready to get off. Now Pedro Pony will take his seat. And it looks like Mommy Pig is also ready to get off. And Rebecca Rabbit will take her seat. Hang on, everybody. It looks like everybody's having a really great time at the fair. How fun! Do you like going to the fairs? I do. And so does Peppa. Blue. Pink. White. One, two, three. One lollipop. Two lollipops. Three lollipops. Pink. White. Pink. One, two, three. One lollipop. Two lollipops. Three lollipops. Orange. Yellow. White. One, two, three. One lollipop. Two lollipops. Three lollipops. Blue, green, white. One, two, three. One lollipop. Two lollipops. Three lollipops. Blue pot. Red onions. Green celery. Orange carrots. Red tomatoes. Red potatoes. Yellow noodles. Purple bowl. One more purple bowl. Green spoon. Green spoon.